Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Why buy a small space in Kingston for double the price when you can have this grand property for a fraction of the price? This gem is located in Brumalia, Mandeville, which is an upper middle income community and is consists of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It also sits on 0.29 acres of land. The sprawling master wing comes with his and hers walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and a private balcony upstairs. We are now downstairs where there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, a large family area for relaxing with those close to you, large kitchen and diner for your growing family, a large back veranda for entertaining your guests, and a helper's quarters. This lovely home also has a 1 bedroom studio apartment that can be used for an extra income or as your man cave. This property is close to the Winston Jones Highway, 2 minutes away from the bustling town of Mandeville. Safety and peace of mind are paramount, and this home delivers just that. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.